Hi friends, we're repairing a Prestigio tablet today. You can see the full name on the screen. I've already partially disassembled it and discovered a few issues. The first is a broken touchscreen. But luckily the display is intact. The tablet is pretty easy to disassemble. First, remove the case, then remove all the SIM cards and flash drives. Next, remove the back cover. Another issue is that the volume and power buttons are missing. I borrowed the buttons from another tablet. The volume button fit perfectly, but the power button had to be filed down. I put double-sided tape under the power button to ensure a perfect press. The next step is replacing the touch screen. I also have a problem with the volume up button. It doesn't respond to touch. But it works. The owner said not to do this, and to leave it as is. First, I'll disconnect the battery. These tablet models have different touch screens, which differ from the pins on the cable and the frame size. I'll leave a link for my specific model below the video. Mine says 45 tracks on the cable. I'm going to order from AliExpress now. As you can see, the touchscreen works perfectly. The tablet is now repaired. I'll leave the film on, and the owner will remove it and have a clean display. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and see you in future videos. Bye!